Looking for a quick, healthy, and delicious way to boost your weight loss journey? This vibrant vegetable salad packed with fresh ingredients like lettuce, sweet corn, and more is your perfect companion. Let's dive in. Here is what you will need. Small size head of lettuce, wash and pat dry them, tear them into bite-sized pieces. Next ingredients: red cabbage, 1/3, carrot shredded, half cup cherry tomato, 1 can of sweet corn for the sweetness, 1 red bell pepper, add onion. Keep it aside and go for the sauce. For the dressing, into a mixing jar, olive oil 50 ml, lemon juice 15 grams, apple cider vinegar with the mother 10 grams, pinch of salt for taste, half teaspoon black pepper, dry mint, 1 tablespoon mustard, 1 tablespoon mayonnaise. Cover and shake it well. And there you have it, a refreshing, nutrient-packed vegetable salad that's perfect for weight loss. Packed with flavors, healthy eating has never looked this good. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell for more healthy recipe. Let us know in the comment how this turned out for you. Ciao!